तासीर अलमास लाई मुकम्मल खास वायदा खासुल खास हर्बल शादी कोर्स प्लस कस्तूरी शादी कोर्स प्लस फास्ट अमली मूविंग penis enlargement therapy. Assalamu alaikum viewers, hope you are doing well. Today I will explain about the course which name is तासीर अलमास लाई मुकम्मल खास वायदा खासुल खास हर्बल शादी कोर्स प्लस कस्तूरी शादी कोर्स प्लस फास्ट अमली मूविंग penis enlargement therapy offered by Taseer Dawakana Ranch. This course is prepared for the male weakness patients to cure their disease. Viewers, male weakness is very common problem nowadays. Every third person suffers from this disease. Especially young people are affected by the disease. There can be many causes of male weakness. Porn videos, dirty magazine, read dirty stories and relationship with underage women. Create a strong desire for intercourse. If a man is not married, then probably he works with masturbation and gradually he gets into this nasty habit. This habit weaks the human being and makes the person unable to do any work and he afraid to name of marriage. Viewers, now let me tell you its causes. Causes when a man becomes sexually aroused. Nerve impulses causes the blood flow to the cylinders to increase about 10 times the normal amount and continued sexual arousal or excitations maintains the higher rate of blood flow, keeping the erection firm after ejaculation or when the sexual excitation passes, the excess blood drains out of the spongy tissues and the penis returns to its non-erect size and shape. Physical causes: nervous debility, lack of blood flow to blood vessels into the penis during erection, venereal diseases, sexually transmitted diseases, hypertension, high blood pressure, diabetic nerve damage from long-standing diabetes, blood leakage inside the blood vessels of pain, hormonal disorders, decreased libido can because of low testosterone and androgen. Cardiovascular disorder affecting the blood supply to the pelvis, problem with enlarged prostate glands, alcoholism and other forms of drug abuse, chronic use of alcohol. Narcotics, marijuana, excessive use to tobacco and betel nut can damage penile arteries. Viewers, now I am going to tell you its psychological causes. Psychological causes: depression, negative feelings that are expressed by sexual partner, stress, anxiety, fatigue, sexual fears or guilt, past sexual trauma. Viewers, तासीर अलमास लाई मुकम्मल खास जवाइदार खासुल खास हर्बल शादी कोर्स प्लस कस्तूरी शादी कोर्स प्लस फास्ट अमली मूविंग penis enlargement therapy eliminates all disadvantages of masturbation and other misdeeds such as premature ejaculation, masturbation, nightfall, spermatoria. Viewers, here we discuss about premature ejaculation, nightfall, pornography and masturbation and its side effects. What is masturbation? It is the act of self-stimulating your genitals in a sexual way to get an orgasm among men and women. Masturbation is a common thing. However, if done excessively, there are harmful side effects for masturbation in men. What are the side effects of excessive masturbation? The loss of physical and mental energy is one of the side effects of masturbation. This effective uses of a lot of your energy. If you have ever realized, frequent masturbation takes a toll on a man's health. There is a constant feelings of tiredness, drowsiness, dullness, absolute weakness in the penis, wrinkled face, etc. Premature ejaculation, its mean coming too soon. In slang language, it is the condition when the person ejaculates too quickly without the female partner getting her orgasm. It can lead to a lot of sexual frustration where the partner might think her man is selfish and does not care whether she gets her orgasm or not. It is today a leading cause of breakups between sexually active couples. Viewers, pornography, sexual obscenity in books, magazines, pornographic media characterized by discordant image of sexual player. Nightfall is the occurrence of a spontaneous orgasm and ejaculation usually during sleep. In medical terms, it is called nocturnal emission. It is properly known by the names wet dream or sex dream. Viewers, our course तासीर अलमास लाई मुकम्मल खास जवाइदार खासुल खास हर्बल शादी कोर्स प्लस कस्तूरी शादी कोर्स प्लस फास्ट अमली मूविंग penis enlargement therapy produce longer, harder erections. Key ingredients: helps restore and maintain healthy libido, improve overall immunity, stimulates growth and increase sexual stamina, staying power. Your partner will notice a dramatic difference and you will enjoy the confidence you have always wanted by pleasing her like never before. Now I am going to tell you its course benefits. Cure erectile dysfunction and stop premature ejaculation, increase sperm production and helps boost sex drive, helps dilate blood vessels and increase blood flow to the penis, natural, help increase sex drive, improve sexual function, and helps increase libido in men. Increased blood flow to the male sexual organ stimulates the pituitary gland to produce more testosterone. It is a semi-essential amino acid that helps transport and store nitric oxide, a chemical in the body that dilates blood vessels and increases blood flow to the penis, provides energy, increases sexual stamina and arousal, supports the central nervous system and helps the body relax. Frequently used to treat poor circulation, used to prevent prostate enlargement, also helps stimulate circulation, helps boost circulation and brings warmth to the whole body. Alleviates stress and helps you relax. Promotes a healthy immune system and delivers natural energy to the body. Stimulates the entire body to overcome stress. Fatigue and weakness helps increase testosterone and progesterone level in the body. Popular glandular substance derived from testicle tissues helps produce testosterone and sperm cells. As you know, viewers, remember that in men the length of the penis varies, which is natural, but when men are immoral, then he is involved in such commits like masturbation, homosexual, watching porn videos, magazine, do loose penis, thin penis, bumpy penis, curvature penis, small penis, muscular fracture in penis, weak from root, ring in middle of penis, paralyzed penis, bent penis. तासीर अलमास लाइन मुकव्वी खास जवायदार फासुल खास हर्बल शादी कोर्स प्लस कसूरी शादी कोर्स प्लस फास्ट मूविंग penis enlargement therapy eliminates all imperfections of penis. Viewers, now we discuss about treatment. Taseer Dawakhana has been established since 1946 and you can recover all these diseases by using Taseer Almas Lai, Mukawwi Khas, Jawaidar Fasul Khas Harbal Shadi course plus Kasuri Shadi course plus fast moving penis enlargement therapy by Taseer Dawakhana, which is made with precious herbals and free from any side effects. Doctor and scientist of our institute, Taseer Dawakhana, work under the supervision of Hakim and Dr. Tariq Mahmood Taseer, qualified doctors, lady doctor, pharmacist and Hakim with prolonged research. This therapy is a chemical-free natural supplement with no side effect. It is prepared from pure herbs and 100% effective. It is prepared under the medical principles and proper scientific method with up-to-date machinery in Taseer Pharma Private Limited. Viewers, it is a special and expensive course consist of 6 products. Tilam Tawal Almas Lai, Fasul Khas plus fast moving penis enlargement therapy. Boosts the strengthening and enlargement of the male organ Tilam Tawal Fasul Khas. Makes the penis bigger and stronger. It have major benefits to the muscles and to improve the blood flow in the penis. Use this on the penis to improve its strength. With regular use for a couple of weeks, you will see visible outcomes for yourself. Tilam Tawal Fasul Khas, a complete solution for erectile dysfunction, premature ejaculation, bandit, weak and small organs. Tilam Tawal Fasul Khas is complete solution for male misdeeds, boost blood flow, blood circulation and its flow directly to the penis and to create a place of enhancement, erection and arousal. A vital gift to increase the male sex power. Tilam Tawal Fasul Khas is a herbal male product, especially accelerates the metabolization of testosterone. Second, Spoof Almas Lai Fasul Khas plus fast moving penis enlargement therapy are medically proved to increase ejaculation fluid, sperm activity and sperm count during the ejaculation process. It is a very effective solution of low sperm count, poor ejaculation or premature ejaculation. It does not only increase your sperm count but it magnifies sperm activity also. It gives more ejaculation fluid on the orgasm and relieves spermatoria. It is not only boosts your sexuality but also it is very trustworthy and good for men's sexual health. Third, Khabira Almas Lai Fasul Khas plus fast moving penis enlargement therapy. It is effective and potent cardiac tonic. Well-known antioxidant properties. An effective herbs tonic for senile debility and quick recovery after prolonged illness. It stimulates the functioning of all major organs of the body and gives a feeling of well-being. This Khabira is particularly useful in removing the weakness of heart, rectifies palpitation and depression quickly. Strengthens the brain and liver. It is cardiovascular tonic, strengthens the auricle and ventricle and the valves of the heart, thus improving the whole cardiovascular system. Cerebral tonic and relaxant. Parts of the brain effective for mental fatigue, restlessness, irritation and heart sickness. The weakness of eyesight and renders sports and strength to the heart and brain. Those who are engaged in mental work, whether young people or children, must not fall a prey to mental fatigue. Number 4. Mughaliz Almas Lai Fasul Khas plus fast moving penis enlargement therapy. It is used to improve men's function, help from spermatoria, premature ejaculation and nocturnal emission. Mughaliz Almas Lai Fasul Khas plus fast moving penis enlargement therapy is a safe formulation that acts on the higher centers of emotions in the brain and locally on the sex organs directly or indirectly. It reduces anxiety and calms the individual. It regulates the process of ejaculation and is used to treat spermatorrhea, weak semen, sex problem, loose desire, short penis, waist and knee itching, four limbs, fatigue, dizziness, weakness and nights, frequent nocturnal lubobiasm, almaz-like Haselhas plus fast moving penis enlargement therapy. The perfect blend of natural herbs acts as a cardiac stimulant and helps in smooth functioning of the heart. It nourishes the brain cells by supporting the nerve system and enhancing coordination and memory power. It has been used extensively for the promotion of optimal neural and cognitive function and has been shown to be useful in promoting normal healthy brain aging. Lubobiasm, almaz-like Haselhas plus fast moving penis enlargement therapy to improve performance and memory. It improves skin complexion glow and fights dermal bacterial infection. It promotes hair growth and helps absorption of calcium, resulting in strong bones and teeth. The antioxidant properties to the tonic acts against the aging process and maintain youthfulness. Number 6. Hobel almaz-like Haselhas plus fast moving penis enlargement therapy. It is an all-natural herbs, growth hormones and testosterone enhancer and give erection stiffness duration, which increases sexual and general health of men. It enhances the sexual performance and sexual desire in men. Hobel almaz-like Haselhas plus fast moving penis enlargement therapy also eliminate advancing age effects on a man. It produces sexual vitality, which makes one physically and mentally prepared to perform sexual act. Because of its harmless ingredients, it has no side effects. It cures erectile dysfunction and loss of libido. It gives an incredible heart onto the man. Effective herbs are used in preparation of almaz-like Haselhas plus fast moving penis enlargement therapy. Improves the prostate health of men. It helps to remove the premature ejaculation, gain harder erection and cure impotence. Stop premature ejaculation. Viewers, now we will discuss about precautions. After researching various natural herbs in the light of the essence of ancient and modern medical research and his long medical observation, discovered the safe and effective method of effective Tasir almaz-like Mukavikhas Haselhas Vardar Herbal Shadi course plus Kasturi Shadi course plus fast moving penis enlargement therapy. Complete cure for restoration of mental and physical strength. Rely on natural remedies because that's the only cure which does not have any side effects. Avoid pornographic ideas, pornographic literature and movies. Avoid fast foods. Avoid all spicy foods and cold drinks. Avoid hot items and drugs altogether. Light exercise and walking are helpful. Use pumpkin, carrot, mutton, milk, yogurt, fresh fruit, honey, dates and fish. So viewers, if you or your known person has male weakness problem, then come to Tasir Dawkhana and use Tasir almaz-like Mukavikhas Haselhas Vardar Herbal Shadi course plus fast moving penis enlargement therapy, which will cure all penis disease and male weakness problem. I hope this video was informative and helpful for you. If you like this video, kindly subscribe our YouTube channel and click on bell icon. I will see you again in my next video, in which we will discuss new disease topic and its treatment. So viewers, it's time to say goodbye. Have a nice day. Take care. Allah Hafiz.